welcome to my channel. I'm holding up a GoPro over here because I want to get Jack in the image, as well as this here E150 by Eachine. This is a direct drive helicopter. I know very little about helicopters, but I'm going to fly this. I brought 3 batteries out and I have Jack here because he can either laugh at me if I crash it, but more importantly, he can fly 3D, so I'm going to let him fly this after me and do some 3D flights. If you haven't seen the unboxing of this helicopter, it comes with the radio and a pile of spare parts. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's go fly this baby. I should be good to stand over here, spin this around because I am a newbie. Jack's got a GoPro to capture some of this footage. On my switches, I have the hold on so the motors don't spin. I may refer to this helicopter as a drone now and then. Jack, please correct me because that happens a lot. And down here I have it on normal. I don't have it on anything head speed up or anything like that. I've got it on 6G. So it means if I take this hold switch off and push this left joystick up, prop should turn. So I'm going to do it quick enough that it doesn't slide off the box. First time flying it. There we go, baby! I got a lot of power up and down. Let's bring it close to that camera over there. Let me try moving around. Jack, if this comes at you, please run away.
I'll hide behind the camera.
Please do that. This one's got a lot of power, Jack. Whoa! That was a little close to my head. This is more power than I'm used to. I'm used to flying like the blade ones. This is fast. Yeah, let me just slow it down here because I am going way too fast. Very easy to fly if you have a little bit of experience. I have a tiny bit, as Jack will tell you. So I'm told the flight time on this helicopter is 10 minutes per battery if you fly it like this. If you fly it aggressively, it drops to 4 minutes. So that tells you right there. It does come with batteries. Mine came with 2. You can get it with 4 batteries, I believe, or 1 battery, but look, I'm getting pretty used to it now. It's not so difficult to fly anymore. I'm keeping it nicely in frame here. This is good. So what do you think, Jack? Do you think this is going to be something you're going to enjoy?
Absolutely. It looks amazing.
Let's bring it down. I'm not going to land it on the box because I will crash it. So let's just bring it over here. I'll bring it close to Jack and I so you can watch it come down. I'm going to hit the hold switch in a second. I'm coming down. And there we go. All right, so that was my flight. And now let's have Jack, the pro, fly it. All right, Jack, here we go. Controller is yours. You're all set? All right, here we go. I'm going to stand back. There he goes. He's getting adjusted, orientated to it. Oh, I just heard the speed go up, so he must have it in a higher head speed. Okay, Jack says this thing has a lot of power. Look at that. Look at I don't mind standing this close.
So just to correct, I'm not a 3D pilot.
No worries. If you get close to me, I can swat it away with my GoPro.
Nice.
Okay, Jack, before I ask you your thoughts on this, everybody check this out. I'll show you what comes in the box. This is the box your E150 comes in. Opening up the box, the first thing we are presented with is a user manual for your E6 radio and then a user manual for your E150. Taking items out of the box, we first have the E150 helicopter. You will notice that it has a nice brushless motor, powerful on the rear end, and that tail is all carbon fiber. And speaking of carbon fiber, most of the drone is constructed of carbon fiber as well as aircraft aluminum. I was very surprised to see how many components are actually made out of metals vice plastic. You can see that the direct drive all metal brushless motor proudly displays that it's a 2507 motor. Taking off the canopy, we can see the electronics inside. This does have a self-stabilizing mode, which I was flying in, and a 3D mode, which Jack was flying in. If you don't want to use the included radio and you have your own radio, it will work with a Spectrum radio as well as PPM and S-Bus. The included LiPo battery is a 500 mAh 3S battery with an XT30 connector. You can put larger batteries in if you desire. A USB battery charger is also included. The blades are made of nylon and carbon fiber material, and 2 spares are included. As well, a tail blade, a micro screwdriver, and some body mounts and an Allen key are included. Total takeoff weight of the E150 helicopter with battery is 182 grams. The included radio is very nice. It's a 6-channel radio. Everything is well marked. There's no setup required. It's all set up at the factory. You will need to provide 4 AA batteries to power it. All right, so when I flew this, my opinion is, as a beginner, it was pretty easy to fly, but it does have a lot of power and an awful lot of potential. And when Jack flew it, where he could do flips and rolls and everything else, I'm looking at this GoPro, sorry guys, I know the camera's down there too. When Jack flew it, he'll have his own opinion. So Jack, I'm just going to get out of the way and point at you. Go ahead.
It flies great. It does everything you want it to do. It's mild 3D or more for more experienced pilots. It's amazing. It's lots of power, very well built.
How did you find the responsiveness?
Very good, very good. It's quick.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to put links to this product below. You can go check it out. If you have more questions on this helicopter, then by all means post them in comments below here and I will get back to you with answers. I am practicing and learning helicopters and I am getting better. I'm no longer a newbie, but you know, it's helicopters like this that help me out and get my skills up, so I'm having a lot of fun. And the great thing is, I know that a helicopter like this, for me as a beginner, eventually when I become a pro, this is a pro helicopter too. So I have the best of both worlds just by flicking little switches on my controller here. All right guys, catch you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.